Upload 40 PDFs into a notebook once, and every single Gemini conversation you open from that point forward already knows what's in them. No re-uploading, no re-explaining, no starting from zero every time. That's the actual result of connecting these two tools together, and most people using either one still don't know the connection exists. Here's why this changes how you should be working entirely. Gemini on its own is flexible but forgets context between chats, and NotebookLM on its own is grounded in your sources but lived in a separate tab you had to keep switching to. Google merged them, so now the grounded, source-based accuracy of one runs directly inside the flexible conversational reasoning of the other, in the same window. That's not two tools anymore. That's one workspace with the strengths of both. Before we go further, like this video, drop a comment with what kind of documents you'd load into a setup like this, and hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one on getting more out of tools you already have access to. I only share methods I've actually tested myself, so every step here is confirmed working, not copied from a support page nobody checked. Start at gemini.google.com and look at the left sidebar. You'll see an option for a new notebook, separate from a regular chat, and that distinction matters because a notebook behaves completely differently from a normal conversation. Click it. Name it something specific to the actual project, not something vague like notes, because you'll likely end up with several of these running at once. A name like Q3 competitor pricing or client onboarding documentation tells you instantly which notebook to open 6 weeks from now. Now add sources, and this is where the real value starts. Drop in PDFs, Google Docs, website links, or even YouTube videos that have captions. And depending on your plan, you can load up to several hundred sources into one notebook. Every source you add becomes something Gemini can quote from directly, not paraphrase from memory, actually reference back to the specific document. You can also drag entire past Gemini conversations into the notebook, which means a research thread you already ran doesn't get lost. It becomes a permanent source other conversations can pull from later. Here's the step people skip, and it's the one that actually makes the notebook worth using long-term. Add custom instructions to the notebook itself, not to a single message. Tell it the tone you want, the format you expect answers in, or the specific angle you're researching from. And that instruction applies automatically to every conversation you run inside that notebook from then on, not just the current one. Skip this step, and you're stuck repeating the same context every single time you open it, which defeats most of the point of building a notebook in the first place. Now here's the mistake almost everyone makes once they've got this set up, so listen closely here. People assume that because Gemini and NotebookLM are now connected, everything from one automatically works inside the other. It doesn't, not entirely. The sources and your custom instructions sync both directions, but a few signature NotebookLM features, specifically audio overviews and infographics, still only exist inside the NotebookLM app itself, not inside a Gemini conversation. So if you want that two-host audio discussion of your sources, you still open NotebookLM directly for that one specific feature. Everything else runs fine from inside Gemini. Knowing that up front saves you from hunting through Gemini's menus for a button that was never going to be there.
There's a second connection method worth knowing, separate from building a full notebook from scratch. Inside a normal Gemini chat, tap the attachment icon and you'll see an option to select NotebookLM directly, letting you pull in a notebook you already built without starting a new one. This is faster when you just need to reference an existing notebook for a single question, rather than building a dedicated project space around it. Here's the actual golden move, and it's the part that turns this from a nice feature into a real workflow upgrade. Attach a notebook directly to a custom gem, the persistent version of Gemini you build once with fixed instructions baked in. Now you have a permanent research assistant that always answers from your specific grounded sources, always follows your custom instructions, and never needs the context rebuilt because both the knowledge and the personality are locked in from the start. Open that gem anytime a related question comes up, and you're getting an answer shaped by your actual materials, not the open internet's average guess. I test new AI deals every week, and if a new free method comes out, you'll see it here first. Next video, I'm building one of these grounded research gems live from a real set of documents, start to finish, so you can copy the exact setup and have your own running by the end of it.